Okay, mount your camera on a tripod. Use either portrait or landscape mode, preferably to you. Then record an empty background for a few seconds. You walk in. Do as if you use your hand to drag something up imaginary. Then you stay for a few seconds. Then you do as if you drag your hand down a bit. Then you squeeze your hand. Do as if you squeeze something. Then you can walk out, okay? Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Okay, now we are going to be clicking on CapCut, alright? New project, import your video to workspace. Don't forget to click it and go and locate volume, okay? Locate volume, click on volume now, reduce it to 0. Mark on this good and go back. Let's locate where we want the video to start from. From here, you click and make a split. Delete this first part, we don't need it again. Click on overlay now, add overlay. Import your green screen can, alright? Because of this black you see there, we are going to go and locate mask, alright? Locate mask now, guys. Go and look for mask. Look for mask. Click on mask now. Then come and click on rectangle. Then you resize it with this arrow. These two arrows here, resize it. Resize it so that we remove that black completely. After resizing it now, you mark on this good and go back, okay? Mark on that good and go back. So at this point, locate remove BG. Click on remove BG. Click on remove BG chroma key. Then you drag it and mark on that good and go back. Click it now and go and locate adjust, guys. Locate adjust. Click on adjust now. Look for HSL. Click on it. Click on HSL. Mark on green. Reduce saturation to 100%. Mark on that good and go back. Then you resize this can and place it on top of that table, alright? Place it on top of the table. After that now, we are going to click it to go and locate freeze. After adjusting it, go and locate freeze, okay? Now click on freeze. Click on freeze, then click on this one and drag it, alright? The front part, drag it. Drag the front part, the video part, drag it. After then, start dragging it, you come and click on the freezed part and drag it to align with that one, alright? So you come down now and do your necessary adjustment so that your line and the coming up will align, alright? You can see he has not matched. Then you take your hand, you do your necessary adjustment. You will see what I'm going to be doing now. Then you are doing your necessary adjustment to make sure that when the can comes up and your hand will work together, alright? So come down and do your necessary adjustment. No, you have not gotten it yet. Then you come down, do your necessary adjustment. Just come down here, don't rush this place so that you will get the perfect thing. Look at what I am doing. I'm still trying to find the aligning to make my hand and the can come up at the same time, alright? After you have gotten it now, then you play it. Look at it. Good. Then at the end now, immediately you walk out now, that can will disappear. That is why you will click here and locate freeze, so that will freeze this last part so that everything will work together. Freeze it now, click this last part and delete it. Click it now, click it and delete it, alright? Then at this point, we want to play the videos to see what we have got. Alright, play the video, let us see what we have got, and if there is any error now, you correct your error. But at this point, I don't like that sound. I will click on it and click on volume, reduce it to 0, mark on this good and go back, because I don't want the sound on that green screen. Alright, so at this point now, let us see what we have got. Good. Allow it to play now. Allow it to play now. Good. This now is good. Allow it to play. Allow it. Good. So at this point now, you click on this freezed part. We want to trim it, alright, because it's too long. Trim it. Click on the video itself and make a split, alright? Make a split now. Make a split. Delete that last part. Then you click on the green and make the two of them to align. Trim it for the two to align, alright? After then, we have gotten what we want. This video, I think, and I'm convinced that this video is ready, okay? What will be remaining here is to add your sound effect, your light effect, and every other effect as the case may be. After that, you now export your video, all right? But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those things. I want you to put me through. Don't worry. At the description of this video, my number is there. Just go and DM me, then I'll put you through on how to add your necessary effects. And after that, you can now export your video to your gallery. So what we are going to be doing now is to click on export, then export this video to our gallery. It's exporting just a size picture. Now this video I've installed in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles, okay? Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates, okay? Go and locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. All right, see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Just stay safe, okay? Thank you.